that you guys are going to be very interested in. Okay?
Oh, where do we go?
I don't know. We got to find where Daddy put it. Let's go this way.
What is this, Daddy? Whatever.
Did you guys notice anything big?
A new lawnmower?
I don't know. Check. What is it?
A lawnmower. I know it. I don't see it. Mom, is this new?
Uh-huh.
So Daddy is the one who got that thing.
Uh-huh. Guess what, Weston?
What?
Guess what it comes with?
What?
What do you think?
A wagon. Cool.
What do you think?
I can even move the wheel. I bet I could drive this easily. Daddy taught me how to drive his old tractor. Yeah, but then we have a new one. Probably works the same way.
You look good on that.
Did Daddy top it off with a Suburban?
Yep.
Hey, I can't see. I'm crazy. Yeah.